Easter is such a beautiful time of the year, full of renewal, warmth, and a sense of joy that spreads throughout homes and communities. Bringing Easter decorations into your home is not just about making things look festive. It's about embracing the spirit of the season, creating a welcoming atmosphere, and even setting the stage for meaningful gatherings with loved ones. The colors, the symbols, and the little details all come together to transform a space into something truly special. And that's exactly what makes Easter decorations so important. One of the biggest benefits of decorating for Easter is the sense of renewal it brings. After the cold and often gloomy winter months, Easter arrives with a fresh and uplifting energy. It's the perfect excuse to introduce bright colors, soft pastels, and cheerful accents that instantly lighten up any space. Just like spring breathes life into nature, Easter decorations breathe life into your home. The soft pinks, yellows, blues, and greens reflect the colors of blooming flowers, fresh grass, and sunny skies, making any room feel more vibrant and alive. Another advantage of decorating for Easter is how it brings people together. Whether you're celebrating with family, hosting friends, or simply enjoying the season on your own, a well-decorated home sets the mood for warmth and happiness. A beautifully arranged Easter table, a charming centerpiece with bunnies and eggs, or even a simple wreath on the door instantly makes a home feel more inviting. It creates the kind of space where people naturally want to gather, share meals, and make memories. There's something about walking into a home that's decorated for Easter that just makes everything feel more festive and special. Adding Easter decorations also gives a creative touch to your home. The season lends itself to so many fun and unique decorating ideas, from beautifully painted eggs to floral arrangements, adorable bunny figurines, and pastel-colored candles. You can go all out with elaborate displays or keep it subtle with just a few well-placed touches. The key is to find a balance that complements your home's existing style, while still embracing the Easter theme. For those who love DIY projects, Easter is an amazing opportunity to get creative with homemade decorations. Hand-painted eggs, personalized place settings, and floral wreaths are all fun and easy ways to add a personal touch to your space. One of the simplest ways to start decorating for Easter is by focusing on the entryway. A lovely Easter wreath on the door instantly sets the tone and welcomes guests with a festive touch. It could be a classic wreath made of flowers and greenery, or something playful with pastel-colored eggs and bunny accents. Adding a seasonal doormat or a few potted spring flowers like tulips or daffodils can also enhance the look and make the entrance feel more cheerful. The dining table is another key area to focus on when decorating for Easter. Since Easter often involves special meals and gatherings, creating a beautiful tablescape can make the occasion feel even more memorable. A pastel table runner, a floral centerpiece, and elegant napkin arrangements can instantly elevate the look. Decorative Easter eggs, small bunny figurines, or even a simple nest filled with colorful eggs can be used as centerpieces to bring in that festive touch. Candles and soft spring colors also add warmth and elegance to the table. For the living room, Easter decorations can be seamlessly integrated into the existing decor. Swapping out throw pillows for ones with floral or bunny designs, adding a light pastel-colored blanket, or placing a few seasonal decorations on shelves or coffee tables can make a big impact. Fresh flowers in vases are always a beautiful addition, and they not only add color but also bring a delightful fragrance into the home. A decorative Easter tree with hanging eggs is another charming idea that adds height and visual interest to a space. Another wonderful aspect of Easter decorations is how they create a joyful environment, especially for children. Kids love the whimsical elements of Easter: the cute bunny decorations, the colorful eggs, and the playful themes that bring excitement into the home. Setting up an Easter egg hunt indoors or in the backyard adds to the fun and makes the decorations feel interactive. Having little baskets filled with chocolate eggs or small gifts also makes the space feel magical and creates moments of delight for little ones. For those who enjoy a more elegant and sophisticated Easter look, focusing on a natural and refined aesthetic can be a great choice. Earthy tones, delicate florals, and minimalistic arrangements create a more timeless and classy feel. Soft linen tablecloths, white and gold accents, and neutral tone decorations can make an Easter setup look effortlessly chic. Glass or ceramic bunny figurines, woven baskets with fresh greenery, and wooden egg displays bring in the Easter essence while maintaining a more polished and refined style. Outdoor Easter decorations can also add charm to your home's exterior. A well-decorated front porch with potted flowers, a seasonal wreath, and perhaps a small Easter-themed display can make a home feel inviting even from the outside. For those who have a garden, adding small decorative elements like painted wooden eggs or bunny-shaped stakes can enhance the overall look. If hosting an Easter gathering outdoors, using pastel-colored tableware and incorporating natural elements like fresh flowers and wooden trays can create a lovely springtime ambience. Easter decorations also bring an emotional and symbolic depth to the home. Many of the traditional elements associated with Easter, such as eggs, bunnies, and flowers, carry deeper meanings of renewal, growth, and hope. The egg, for example, represents new beginnings, making it a beautiful symbol to incorporate into home decor. Flowers symbolize life and beauty, and their presence in an Easter-themed space brings a sense of freshness and positivity. Even the simple act of decorating for Easter can be a way to embrace the themes of the season and reflect on the beauty of new opportunities and fresh starts. No matter the size of the space or the style of the home, Easter decorations have the power to transform an environment into something special. Whether through small touches like pastel-colored candles and floral arrangements or bigger displays with festive table settings and themed centerpieces, decorating for Easter is a wonderful way to celebrate the season. It adds beauty, warmth, and joy to a home while also creating a festive atmosphere that brings people together. For those who may not have decorated for Easter before, starting with just a few key pieces can be an easy way to introduce the theme without overwhelming the space. A floral wreath, a decorative egg display, or a charming Easter centerpiece can make a big difference and gradually build up to a more complete setup over time. The beauty of Easter decor is that it can be as simple or as extravagant as one desires, and either way, it enhances the spirit of the season. Another beautiful thing about Easter decorations is how they can be tailored to personal tastes and styles. Some people love a playful, vibrant Easter theme with bright pastels, bunny figurines, and colorful eggs scattered throughout the home. Others prefer a more elegant and refined approach, using natural materials like wooden accents, fresh greenery, and soft neutrals to create a sophisticated look. The great thing about Easter decor is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. What matters most is creating a space that feels joyful and inviting. For those who love incorporating natural elements into their decorations, fresh flowers and greenery are a perfect choice. Tulips, daffodils, and lilies are classic Easter flowers that bring a delicate touch to any room. Placing fresh flowers in mason jars, vintage pitchers, or simple glass vases adds an effortless elegance to tables, mantels, and entryways. Greenery, such as eucalyptus or ivy, can be woven into wreaths, placed in baskets, or draped along the dining table for a soft and organic feel. These natural touches not only look beautiful, but also bring the refreshing scent of spring indoors. Incorporating handcrafted or vintage pieces into Easter decorations adds a unique charm. Handmade ceramic bunny figurines, antique-inspired egg holders, or embroidered Easter linens give a homey and nostalgic feel to the space. For those who enjoy DIY projects, crafting personalized Easter decorations can be a fun and rewarding activity. Painting wooden eggs, creating a floral centerpiece, or designing an Easter-themed garland are all great ways to add a personal touch to the home while embracing the creative spirit of the season. In the end, Easter decorations are about more than just aesthetics. They create a feeling, set a mood, and bring joy into a home. They remind us to celebrate new beginnings, appreciate the beauty around us, and share special moments with the people we love. Whether it's a subtle touch of pastel colors or a fully decorated Easter table, the effort put into decorating always pays off in the way it uplifts the space and enriches the overall experience of the season.